Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can learn about trading and investment using the Trading212 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trading212 app, then go to these menu icons. And here, when you scroll down, you just have to tap on the video section, and here you can find lessons about all things investment and trading. They have different categories with different video quantities. The first one is commodities, where you can learn about commodity investments. The first video is commodity markets. There are oil markets tutorial, exploring precious metals investments also. The forex trading section includes forex markets, the basics, forex trading, anatomy of forex quote, currency pairs, benefits of trading forex, and what moves forex prices. These are all very nice videos, comprehensive, and you can learn all things about forex tradings. And the last category is actually the longest, where you can learn technical analysis for beginners. As you can see, stochastic, oscillators, understanding divergence, and all the special details. I think, as you can see, there are 49 videos of this category, and in my opinion, if you go through all these videos, you can become you can understand basically the whole basis of trading, and you can start doing it in real life. I'm not suggesting that by watching these 49 videos you become a pro, because in my opinion becoming a pro is only possible through experience, but it can give you a great way to start and a nice understanding of what you are doing. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.